There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Success is 99% failure. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Power and machinery, money and goods, are useful only as they set us free to live. Speculation into thing all read why product that is not business. That the earth produces, or is capable of producing, enough to give decent sustenance to everyone, not of food alone, but of everything else we need. For everything is produced from the earth. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. The natural thing to do is to work, to recognize that prosperity and happiness can be obtained only through honest effort. Don't find fault. Find a remedy. To teach that comparatively few men are responsible for the greatest forward steps of mankind is the worst sort of nonsense. Experience is the thing of supreme value. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. That the devil finds work for idle hands to do is probably true. But there is a profound difference between leisure and idleness. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Sometimes you just don't like somebody. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it.